Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making garlic Parmesan wings. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Make sure your wings have been cleaned and thoroughly dried. Now season with the garlic powder and paprika. Now add the salt and pepper, then mix until well coated. Place your wings on a rack, then transfer to your preheated oven. Allow your wings to cook for 35 minutes. After your wings are done, remove them from the oven, then set them aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your garlic, then saute for 3 minutes. Now add the parsley and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove from the heat, then set it aside until later. Pour your butter and garlic mixture over your wings and mix until well coated. Now coat with the Parmesan cheese, and then it is ready to serve. These wings are delicious and full of flavor, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.